In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer SOL from your Binance to Exodus wallet. And if you have SOL on your Binance wallet, I want to transfer it to Exodus. At first, open your Exodus, right? Move down, click on this SOL. You're going to see the receive option. Click on it to copy your wallet address. Go to your Binance, wait for it to open up. So I'm going to just wait for it to load up now. So what you need to do, once it has opened up now, just click on this. Come on here, type in SOL. So this is SOL, right? So we're going to click on the withdraw, click on this. So paste the wallet address I've copied on Exodus from here, right? Click on the network, select Solana, enter the amount of SOL you want to select, right? Click on the withdraw, do the necessary verifications to be sure that you're the one that is doing it. Once you have done, you're going to be able to transfer SOL from your Binance to Exodus wallet. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you for watching through. I'll see you in the next video.